Walter Scott was born in 1771, and in 1812 he went to the Isle of Skye. So he saw my island before I did. But he just caught the end of the great chieftains and the clan bards, and he listened to a story of how the great piper, Donald Bàn MacCrimmon, had a premonition of his own death. And he made a tune, a pibroch, which perhaps Thomas can play, MacCrimmons' Lament. And he played this pibroch and he told people what it was about. And he set off to the mainland of Scotland, and he was involved in a battle in which there was one fatality. The piper. Yes. Now don't say, could you not play a good tune, because I'm sure. But he was leading his men into battle, and the piper was shot. And when the story was told, Walter Scott was so moved by that he made a song, MacCrimmons' Lament. And very unusually, Walter Scott's song was translated into Gaelic, usually the other way around. So I'm going to sing a Gaelic version of his song. And it means he'll no more, he'll return no more. MacCrimmon will return no more. So if you want to sing, your line is Chachil, means he won't return. You have to picture the mist in Skye at the castle. You is heine when he o torman rudach kadam huling kunes antonischile andrive wan snachil MacCrimmon Chachil MacCrimmon ang cognosci Chachil MacCrimmon leregich nui Chachil MacCrimmon Chachil ekuprach kulan Chachlaner tochol sam dueske smaktavan omu lemun karekach Kachlerski soiten kjol hulvetra ekeigen galar Snachil MacCrimmon Chachil, Chachil, Chachil MacCrimmon ang cognosci Chachil MacCrimmon leregich nuni Chachil MacCrimmon Chachil